Does this question confirm that OCR is the hardest GCSE exam board? Let me know, Mike. Simplify this algebraic fraction for 2 marks. Okay, what's the first thing we should notice here? That 4 is 2 squared. We can rewrite that 4 to the power of n as 4 being 2 squared. So this becomes 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 4, which is 2 squared to the power of n minus 1. Then what? Here, we can multiply these powers. These are the index rules, right? 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of n. This is 2 to the power of 2n. But because of what I'm going to do next, I'm not going to write it as 2n. In fact, I want this to say 2 to the power of n because maybe some cancellations will happen. Because this is multiplication, you can basically switch these around. So instead of this being 2 and that being n, I can change the order and make that n and that 2. Okay, interesting. This can be factorized. I can rewrite it in a certain way so you guys can see it a lot better. If I let 2 to the power of n just be x, this is basically saying this. X minus 1 divided by x squared minus 1. And what should you notice? The denominator is difference of 2 squares. How would that denominator factorize? It would have been x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, and on the top, we just have that x minus 1. And look, the x minus 1s would have cancelled. Okay, these would have cancelled, and we would have been left with 1 over x plus 1. So this is just guidance in terms of what's going on. We just need to represent it here. So I'm basically just copying and pasting. But here I have 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by, so that's the same as this. Yeah, with just 2 to the power of n being x. Then applying the difference of 2 squares principle. What multiplies by itself to give you 2 to the power of n all squared is 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of n. Look, these are the same. Yeah. One of them is going to be plus 1, one is going to be minus 1. And then these cancel, and there's our answer. We are left with 1 over 2 to the power of n plus 1, and that's our answer for a cheeky 2 marks. So what do you guys think? OCR, hardest exam board for GCSE maths? Let me know in the comments. Head to my YouTube channel, Neil Does Maths, where I'm doing harder problems, more exam involved focus. There's already hundreds of students already learning over there, so go to my YouTube and subscribe. Nice.